Right, today we're going to be printing a 3D human heart on our MakerBot Replicator 5th generation. Okay, so here are our two finished halves. As you see, it's printed in two parts. Just give you a closer look there. And we can just glue these two together. We printed it at 100 microns, which is a high quality setting on this machine. It just gives you a closer look again. It's come out really well and all ready to be painted if you wanted to.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please click to subscribe.
For more information on the printers and materials we've used in this video, visit dream3d.co.uk.